Welcome to the Tigers Army Parachute Display Team. If you look above you now, you can see the parachute aircraft flying overhead. What they're going to do is drop the wind drift indicator. This is going to indicate what direction the wind's coming from and how strong it is. It gives the guys on the plane an indication of where they need to be outside the aircraft. Just a couple of safety points before we carry on. Now on the ground then, you're going to see some smoke. The smoke is non-toxic. Don't be afraid of it. If it is making you breathe uncomfortably, cover your mouth, but it is non-toxic. On the ground then today, we've got Barney Martin. Give him a wave, give him a cheer. On board the aircraft today then, we've got two groups. The first group is going to be a free-fall group. They'll be exiting the aircraft, reaching speeds of up to 120 miles an hour. They will pull their parachutes at around 3,000 feet and descend onto the ground in front of you. Make sure you give them a big round of applause as they come in. The second group out then was going to be a crew group. This stands for canopy relative work. They're going to be stacking the canopies on top of each other and do some tricks for you today. That's the wind drift indicators near the ground now then. The jump master's confirmed with the wind strength and direction. They're going to climb to altitude to go do the jump. The aircraft's now coming behind you again. If you all look up, give them a wave, give them a cheer, they may be able to hear you. I'm going to give you a count of 3 and we'll have a nice big cheer. 1, 2, 3. Cheer! The waving back guys, we'll do it again. 1, 2, 3. Cheer! Just confirmed from the pilot, they all heard you. Well done. Make sure you're that loud when they get back onto the ground. Tigers Army Parachute Display Team was developed in 1986 and back then it was known as the Flying Dragons. Over the period we've had a number of team members, been over 55 team members since then, all highly qualified in parachuting. To become a display jumper you need a minimum of 200 descents, clearance from our chain of command and a lot of training to go with it. Our capabilities involve canopy formations, wingsuiting, formation skydiving, free flying, and obviously display jumping. The team is very approachable, so if you've got any questions when we get back onto the ground, don't be afraid to come over and speak to them about it. We are all serving soldiers in the Princess of Wales Royal Regiment. Okay, so that's the aircraft now then, let's climb up to altitude. Yeah. Just going to take a quick moment now then to mention our sponsors. The smoke on the ground is represented by Enola Gay smoke grenades. Our sunglasses are provided by Gators. And our jumpsuits are provided by Intrude Air. Today's show wouldn't be available if it wasn't for TSA Consulting. The plane's coming back behind you now then, if you all look up. It's around 1,000 feet above the ground. He's just going to practice the wind run. It looks like they're doing a low show, ladies and gentlemen. If you look up, you can see one of the guys at the aircraft. He's now trailing his smoke. And there he goes, it's a free fall. This is the first free fall group. 1, 2, 3 out. Give him a cheer, ladies and gentlemen. 4 out. 5. And 6. They're all out then, ladies and gentlemen. Everybody be trailing smoke. There's some flags there. First one down is Private Will Sims. He's got the Union Jack flag. What he's going to be doing is coming towards the crowd line. And he's going to make his turn into the smoke you can see onto the ground. Let's give him a nice big cheer. 1, 2, 3, cheer! Well done, Southport, keep it going, keep clapping them in. The 2 flags that you can see there, we've got the Army flag and we've got the Union flag. These are 200 square foot. And he's down, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, here he goes. Well held, well done. Bringing the Army flag then is Sergeant Frank Millery. Next we got Private Boatwright. Coming last in then is Corporal Eddie Rudd. He's got the little Union Jack. Give him a nice big cheer, ladies and gentlemen.